Imagine this. Two brothers, bound by blood, standing on opposite sides of a courtroom, all because of a $12,700 fine. Sounds unbelievable, right? But what happened next will not only shock you, it might just change how you handle your own financial disputes. Michael and Robert were ordinary brothers in their 60s, hard-working men who had spent their lives building families, protecting their money, and preparing for retirement. Then, one small financial issue spiraled out of control. It began with a letter in the mail, an unexpected $2,700 fine. But who owed it? Michael swore it was Robert's responsibility, while Robert argued Michael had agreed to cover it. What started as a disagreement over paperwork quickly turned into heated late-night arguments, and eventually, lawyers. And here's the painful irony. The legal fees were becoming more expensive than the fine itself. Pause for a moment. Have you ever fought with a sibling over who should pick up the dinner bill? Now imagine that, but with a few extra zeros attached. Soon enough, the case landed in court. Picture it. Two men who had once shared birthdays, holidays, and family photos, now glaring at each other as legal opponents. The judge listened carefully as each made his case, Michael arguing responsibility, Robert arguing fairness. But the truth about court is this: judges don't care about emotions, only evidence. And while both brothers fought desperately to win, neither realized they were both losing: their money, their time, and most tragically, their relationship. So who won? Did the judge side with Michael or Robert? Or was there an even more shocking outcome? The ruling came down, and the judge decided that neither brother would walk away untouched. Both were held accountable, splitting the fine. That's right. After months of exhausting legal warfare, each man ended up paying not only half the fine, but thousands more in legal fees. In the end, the real cost wasn't $12,700. It was the cost of brotherhood, trust, and peace of mind. And here's the lesson. Wealth isn't just about protecting your bank account. It's about protecting your relationships, your sanity, and your future. Sometimes walking away from a fight is the wisest investment you can ever make. Because let's face it, nobody wants to explain to their grandkids that they lost a brother over less money than the cost of a used car. So ask yourself, are you fighting battles that cost you more than they're worth? If you want to keep your wealth and your peace, it begins with knowing when to fight and when to let go. And speaking of battles, wait until you hear about the shocking things homeowners associations are doing to people just like you. Click the video on your screen about HOA Anonymous to discover how to protect yourself before it's too late.